Well, welcome back, guys, to Lost in Stupid Garage. We got another project. Went and picked these up just yesterday. Fellow wanted quite a bit more. Ended up getting these for, $30. They are not the correct size for a Hummer, so we're going to have to modify them to make them fit. These are 77.5. The Hummers are approximately 70 to 72 inches. These are stainless steel and chrome. All the pads are here. There's only one little issue right here, but that, as you can see, there's a little red mark there. That's my tentative mark. I'm going to cut them right there and then fix the end. So I will have to modify these to make them fit, or I'm going to sell them. So stay tuned and we're going to figure out which one we're going to do. So I just want to say, hey, put in the comment section what you think should be done with these. Should we make them into a set that'll fit the Hummer, build some brackets, do all the work ourselves, or should we turn right back around and clean them up? And should Lost in the Stupid sell them? You help me. You guys give comments, questions, suggestions, likes, subscribes, things like that down below. You let me know. Have a great day. You know, the nicest part, dude and dudettes, that the fellow who sold me these things are in absolute impeccable shape. He sold me the brackets too. The brackets alone have got to be worth the $30 price of admission that I paid. So what an amazing, amazing offer. I snagged it in a heartbeat. The brackets probably won't be used for this vehicle. I might cut them and modify them and weld on some steel to them to make them useful, but hey, what a great piece of equipment, huh? As always, thanks for stopping by. You have a great and glorious day wherever you are. This is Lost in the Stupid Garage.